Hi, my name is Don Nicholson from Elevate, and I want to take a few minutes and go over some details of our performance inlet manifold. This is for the Volvo T5 engines and also fits the Ford Focus ST and Focus RS models. So as we go over some of the details of the Elevate performance inlet manifold, we're also going to talk about the stock manifold, a couple of our competitors also, but I want to first go over the highlights of the Elevate performance inlet manifold. You can expect power gains of up to 26 horsepower and 22 foot-pounds of torque, depending on your engine configuration. It's manufactured of precision cast 356 T6 aluminum. The outlet ports on the inlet manifold are CNC machined for an exact, precise fitment on the stock, lower stock manifold. It's easy installation. It's a direct bolt-on replacement for the stock inlet manifold. It's burst resistant to over 50 psi or 3.4 bar. We actually individually test and verify each unit before we ship it out, as some of the stock inlet manifolds have burst under higher turbo boost pressure. And it's 100% made in the USA. This is the stock lower intake manifold. So this is what the upper inlet manifold bolts to. Just like this, just so you can get a visual. And this is the gasket that we designed for our performance inlet manifold. So we're going to use this as a template to show some of the differences. So this is what the gasket looks like. And what I want you to pay special attention to is these inlet port diameters. So as you can see, this gasket's pretty much dead on with the stock lower manifold. As we look at the stock inlet manifold, and put the gasket on the same way, you can see a significant amount of port that is still open, and that is restricting flow. So this we painted white just for contrast, just so you can see. So that's the stock inlet manifold. Looking at another one of our competitors and comparing the same thing, you can see that there's still a significant amount of port that is not able to flow. And looking at the final unit, here again, you see based on the gasket, which remember the gasket is exactly the same size as the lower manifold, this creates restrictions. And now looking at the Elevate unit, and putting the gasket on, and you will see the gasket is right there. And the only way that you can achieve this is by proper CNC porting. These are CNC machined. Going back to our competitors, their ports are not machined. This is machined, but the actual ports themselves are rough cast aluminum still. That's the case on both of our competitors. And that rough casting inhibits flow. So again, looking back at our ports, CNC machined, very smooth, nice optimal flow. Some of the other benefits of ours is that all of the fittings are screwed and metal fittings. Both of our competitors use plastic fittings on at least one of the three different vacuum ports. And our unit is powder coated. Our other competitors offer their units as raw aluminum with the option of either powder coating or painting. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Hope you learned something about the Elevate Performance Inlet Manifold. Be sure to check out our website at www.elevatecars.com. Thanks.